These are the Cole & Mason salt and pepper grinders. We've been using them for several years and we love them. So you're able to adjust the coarseness or fineness of the salt and pepper by adjusting the bottom. As you can see here, this is pretty fine, and then this is very fine. So I'll show you kind of how they work. So if you turn them like this, there you go, and then you can move them that way and then back. So it's this little piece here that moves. And then to refill it, which we'll show you how to do right now, you pull the top off. You just kind of hold firmly, wiggle and pull, just pops off. And then you grab a little funnel, just kind of use one of these, and then grab some salt. Just use this sea salt here. This is actually also from Amazon. Then you just refill it, pouring it into the funnel. Then you just kind of wiggle your funnel, and it just kind of works its way into the salt shaker. It's not the quickest way to do this, but it does give you the most effective way without spilling everywhere. Yeah, so you could pour directly in if you'd like to do that too. But anyway, you just do that several times. I won't bore you with refilling the whole thing. And then you pop the lid back on and then you grind and you're good to go. So this is kind of how it works. And perfectly fine salt.